Hey everyone, just a quick video to show you how to add an ApeX account to the terminal. If you don't have one yet, you can just click here to sign up. And click all the things that need to be clicked for that. Verify everything, and then once you do have an account, you go to API management. Generate API key, and we're gonna call it Insilico. And we are also going to add the whitelisted IPs. Then we'll take API key and place it in this field, and also gonna give it a name. Go back, take the passphrase and put it in the passphrase field, and the secret key in the secret key field. And then the only thing we need to do is go here to see the Omni key and put that in here. And just make sure that you put everything in the right place, and then press connect. And now you will be able to trade through ApeX.